Alicia Tech Ideas. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.
Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. This is your own channel Alicia Tech Ideas. Please like, share, and subscribe. People are asking that they haven't any specific skill, but how they can earn money online. This is for them. Please like, share, and subscribe, and watch my video till the end. And today I am discussing with you that Canva app is very famous app, the app which subjects are concerned. I am today discussing that how you can make resume or CV from this website or application. This is very easy, guys. Uh, if you like, then you can earn money also, and you can give the services for the people, and this is all editable, and this is all fixed for you. You can just change the name, and any name you can just write down, and if I remove it, then I can write sure Ali, and then you also can change the picture. This is also editable, and you can just change all application according to the demand of your client, and this is not very professional, but you can earn money. You can just share this skill with your friends and your Facebook account friends, and near and dear ones. There are a lot of people, especially students who need this CV, and according to the demand, you can just prepare CVs, and they have different designs. Canva present for you. You can just change the color, picture, skills, and profile experiences. You can change. If you click this, then you can make any changes, and you can change the design, skills, education, all the thing, analytics and experiences. If you want to add something, then you can change the page or design, and you can select another one. This is not very hardworking skill, but the skill is best. This is the proverb that nothing a person has, but something is better than nothing. And this skill, if you learn, then you can earn money, because for every CV you can get 300, 400, or $50 or $10, or any according to your currency of your country, you can get money. And if you would like to do, then you can also make a lot of thumbnails, and there are a lot of people, and you can edit the picture, edit the video. There is a lot of things in this application. This is not an ordinary application, and this application has a lot of things for you, a lot of skills which are not very hardworking, but you can just make the things for people, and you can just prepare or do and share with your friends, and do the work for people in some 15 minutes or 1 hour is enough for your this skill, and you can earn money. And I suggest for the beginners, especially students,